how to send Zoom invitation on WhatsApp. Now this is very easy. So before we move on with that, if you are new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let's just begin. First, open up your Zoom, and after you've opened up your Zoom, make sure that you schedule a meeting. First, let's schedule a meeting. You can see I can set my time right here. I can set it for whenever I want. Let's just keep it this way. Just select a duration, time zone, and repeat none. Okay, everything's done. Attendees, you can add your attendees directly from here, but I'll show you some other way. So after you've selected all this required settings, just click on save. Now after you've clicked on save, just cancel this for now. Okay, so after you've clicked on save, just click on this meeting, your meeting details, and press on add attendees. Now here you can see different options. One is to send message directly, other is to send email, other is to copy to clipboard. Now let us copy to clipboard for now. After you've copied the meeting links and details on your clipboard, go to your WhatsApp and go to the friend or anyone that you want to send the details to, and then just paste it. After you paste it, click on send, and there you go. You have sent your Zoom invitation on WhatsApp. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, and bye bye, take care.